Hi, I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel and welcome to this video. Today I'm doing a Fanta themed makeup look, and if you want to know how I did this makeup look, then keep on watching. I have done a Coca-Cola themed makeup look, so now I want to do a Fanta themed makeup look. And depending on which part of the world you live in, the Fanta has different colors, either orange or yellow. I have grown up with orange Fanta. Because I only have yellow jewels, I will have to add yellow into my makeup look, which is fine because I don't want it to be too much brown anyway, which is a great complementary color to orange. So I will pop in some brown, but I will keep it orange and yellow. That way the whole world should be satisfied with the reference to their Fanta. So I'm using one eyeshadow palette for this. So I'm using the Makeup Revolution Game of Thrones Mother of Dragons. And I'm starting off with Bravery, which is this one right here. And with this one, I want to take a big fluffy brush like this one and just apply it in the crease. Then I want to take the same color but use a flat brush like this and apply it to my lower lashes. And then I want to go ahead and switch to another flat brush that looks like this. And I will be taking the same makeup palette, the Mother of Dragons, and I will choose Rebellious, which is this orange. And I will put that about halfway and out. I might go in with my finger after to intensify the color, but I will start with the brush. And I want to still be using a flat brush, and I just wiped off any excess. And I want to go in with the last color, which is Persistence from the same eyeshadow palette. And first I will go in with the brush, and then I will go in with my finger on top later. But for this, you want to put it in the inner half of your eye. Then I'm taking my Essence Eye Blender brush and I'm blending the makeup look. Nothing too crazy, just a little bit underneath, maybe a little bit in the seam, wherever I see it is needed. And then I'm taking my H&M Dipliner Ink eyeliner and I will line my eyes. I do have a tutorial on how to do your eyeliner, so I will try to remember to link it up here. No promises, but I will try to remember. So I decided to only do eyeliner on the outer parts of my eye because this is not Coca-Cola and there's not a lot of black going on. So the next thing I will do is curl my lashes. And then I'm taking the Maybelline, the Colossal mascara that looks like this, and I am putting mascara on my upper and lower lashes. So I want to bejewel my face or my eyes. So I will be using something along the lines of this. It's technically for nails, but they can be put on the face. And it's from the brand called Glitter. It's a Scandinavian brand. So I don't think you can get these exact ones outside of Scandinavia, but you can find them online. Similar ones. And I want to go in with the gold yellow that I have, which is this one right here, and it's heart shaped, and you'll be needing 12 of them, 6 on each side, so 6 on this side, 6 on this side. And then I will use eyelash glue, and it doesn't really matter which one you use. And what I want to do with these beads are, but I want to add 3 dots here and 3 dots here. So Fanta is a juicy drink, so I want to go in with my W7 Hot Shots Pout Plumping gloss that looks like this. And I want to just put that on top of my lipstick. And if you're wondering what lipstick I'm using, it's the Isadora Twist Up Matte Lips Satin Soft Feel in 62 Raving Red that looks like this. And then I want to finish off by putting on some setting spray, and I'm using the Makeup Revolution Sport Fix that looks like this. There you have it, a Fanta themed inspired makeup look, and I absolutely love this. It's orange, it's subtle, it's earthy, but with sparkle. It's a little bit of extra detail, a little bit of extra pizzazz. And so that is all I have for you today, and if you liked the video, leave a like and a comment down below. And if you want more content like this, then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you will be notified when I upload a video. And with that, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!